Hello everyone, my name is Colleen and
My name is Normand.
we just wanted to share a little experience that we had in Cancun, Mexico at the Ocean Dental Clinic. We thought it was so amazing that it would be a good idea to tell everyone, because I know it's something that everybody talks about and everyone is probably a little apprehensive to go and do dental work in another country, and as we were. But after our experience, we thought it was very important to tell you how happy we were with the service that we got, and with the dentist and the dental clinic and the professionalism, the cleanliness of the clinic. And they had top-notch equipment, x-ray machines, everything. And I had very minor procedures done. I had a dental cleaning and a dental whitening. However, Norman can tell you his experience. He had much more intense work done, and of which we're both very, very happy. And so I'll let you tell your story.
After over 5 years of trying to get some problem solved with my teeth, consulting dentists and orthodontists and having braces for many years, nothing turned out very, very good with the type of smile that I wanted or the work that I was expecting to get done and finalized. So after giving up for almost 8 to 12 months, we just reconsidered, again, me and Colleen, as she said, to go to Mexico and try to get the work done, as we heard some people did, and they really, really enjoyed it. So one day playing online, we found that clinic and we said, well, let's just send an email to see what kind of a response we're going to get. Finally, we got a response from a very, very serious clinic that is owned and run by a doctor named Irma. The clinic is Ocean Dental in Cancun. And she has been living in Canada, in Edmonton, for like 17 years. She was trained at the university in the state in Michigan. And I can't say anything. I don't ever think that I got any treatment as good as these treatment that I got over there. I got 4 veneers replaced on my front teeth. I got 2 implant and 1 extraction done on my back tooth. And I have nothing else to say then. If you're nervous or you're a little worried about going there, getting the work done, well, if you want to save about 2/3 of the regular cost of what it was quoted to us to get the work done for me right now, and get it done in 1 week instead of getting it done maybe over like 3 months or a bunch of appointments and this and that, these people will take fantastic care of you. They'll pick you up right from the airport. As soon as you land in Cancun, they'll bring you to a resort and bring you to either a hotel wherever you live, and they'll take care of carrying you all week long. They'll take very, very professional care of you. That's a little bit my story for all the work that I had to do. And I don't know if Colleen has anything else to say, but I was treated like family at this dental clinic.
And I have to second that. We were more than happy with our experience, and we just thought it would be good to share it with you. So if you want to go online, you can check out Ocean Dental Clinic, and you can commute with them via email and find out, ask all the questions. All their pricing is there on their website, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed.
Thank you very much. Take care. Don't hesitate. Just make a good move and go.
Hope this helps everyone.